Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Ywigs. Shout out to you Ywigs for sending me this unit. As you guys can see, this is another headband unit, and right here I am showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and this is a Pixie unit. They have on the site that the length of this wig is 6 to 8 inches, and it is 150% density. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. If you are interested in any more details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So this unit was sent to me by Ywigs. Shout out to you Ywigs for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking, hold on y'all, let me pull it up. So the unit that I am rocking is in the name Diana. The length, I'm gonna go to that, it just has as image. The density is 150% density. The color is 1B. The cap construction is headband wig, and the cap size is average. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. And honey, the first person I see is my girl Wigs to Wanderlust. Wigs and Wanderlust. She's the first person that I see right here. Like, oh yes, honey. But anyway, so it says throw on and go wigs, beginner and lazy girl friendly, no glue, no lace, super realistic look. This unit is water wave, so that's the texture. It's in the water wave texture. So the lengths that they have available is 6 to 8 inches in 150% density, which is what I have, but you can also get it in 180% density. So they got on here, check the following link for a longer length. So they do have a longer length available, but with this particular unit that I am rocking is 6 to 8 inches. And as I stated, the color is 1B, and the cap size and all that is average. Now, I do want to mention that if you get it in the density and stuff that I have, it is $99, honey. Okay, like, yes. And if you get it in the 180% density, it's going to add an extra $10. So keep that in mind. Now, with this particular wig, y'all, I just want to go ahead and say I have not experienced any shedding, no tangling, none of that whatsoever. I feel like with the headband wigs, as far as big head friendliness goes, like I feel like they kind of are all one size fits all. Like, unless your head is just like crazy big, you should be able to make a headband wig work, because they have that little band in the back, you know what I mean, a little band. So I didn't adjust any straps. I'm not even sure if this wig came with any adjustable straps. I don't remember, but I'm pretty sure I showed you guys that in the beginning of this video. It does come with 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back with, I don't know if it has adjustable straps or not, but they do have that little you know, that little thing, the little Velcro thing that comes with all headband wigs. And yeah, like that's basically it as far as construction and stuff goes. Like, this is a water wave texture. To me, this is curly though. It's like more curly than water wave. So am I tripping? Like, no, it definitely says water wave. It definitely says water wave. So yeah. The other this one came with 2 headbands, and to me, the headbands that they sent this time, they did ask me which one, you know, did I like, and I was like, honey, the thicker the better, honey. I like some thick headbands, and I do go for more boring colors. Like, I love the grays, and I feel like I got glue or something right here. I do go more for grays and neutrals and camel. Is it camel colored? I don't know, but I do love these 2 headbands. Like, I think right now these 2 are my favorite headbands that I have received. I just like stuff that's like this, a little bit more boring. I am a boring chick, honey. Okay, I like boring colors. I love the grays and the nudes, and that is just like my go-to. And I do feel like these colors are more fall and winter like. So yeah, I am definitely loving these headbands. But yeah, that's pretty much it as far as construction goes. Obviously, I don't have to do a lint check because, honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. So if you are interested in how I feel about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, girl, like, I'm pretty sure you already know. First of all, I love a good Pixie. Like, Pixies are just my favorite, honey. Okay, they're my favorite lint. Like, I love a good Pixie wig, and I especially love it in this headband, girl, because to me, that is just adding onto the laziness of me. Okay, so right now, hands down, this is my favorite headband wig. Yes, girl, I said it. Okay, not only are these my favorite headbands, this is my favorite headband wig. It just looks so nice, so natural. Like, Ywigs, honey, you did it again, girl. You did it again. So yeah, I am feeling it, y'all. Like I said, hands down, this is my favorite headband wig so far. Like, I love it. I love this wig. I can see myself throwing this on constantly, and I just feel like it's a really cute, easy type of slay, honey. Like, I love it. Like, literally, y'all, I have no complaints with this wig, y'all, whatsoever. I think this wig is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Like, chef's kiss, honey. Okay, it is gorgeous. I love the wig. I love the headbands. I have no complaints whatsoever. Like I said, I mean, what else can I say, girl? Okay, like, what else can I say? Now, as far as the products and what I had to do to it, all I did was spray it with some water, just water, and then I applied my Cantu Wave Whip curling mousse. I do, like, this is just like one of my go-to mousses when I'm, you know, dealing with curly hair, unless I want that wet look. I didn't really want a wet look. I just wanted it to look curly, bouncy, and just ooh, I just love this wig, y'all. I can go on and on about it. I really like it. I don't want to have to take it off, but I do plan on filming another video for the same company, but another video. So I gotta take it off, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be putting her back on because she's a look like, y'all, I have a new monitor, and that's why I keep looking over here. I'm not used to looking at the lens. I'm used to looking at my viewfinder, so I'm looking over here instead, so forgive me, but I keep looking over there and I keep seeing white in the camera. I don't know if I'm tripping or my camera tripping, but somebody tripping in here. But yeah, I definitely love this wig. I would definitely recommend it. Once again, they came through with the pricing. The pricing is bomb. Like, man, when I say Ywigs, we here, boo. We are here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And honey, don't you worry about my kitchen, honey. You know what I be saying about my kitchen, girl. Worry about your kitchen. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, once again, I am definitely feeling this wig. I think it is gorgeous. Shout out to you. Ywigs, you did the darn thing. Okay, girl, you came through. So yeah, I'm feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling it like I'm feeling it? Like, is this your fave too? Like, oh, girl, let me know. Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, if you are interested in this wig, I will have the direct link down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, we done. She's through. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both the IG and Facebook. I'm Hustle Miss on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.